Hey there, Greenie Beanies. It's me, Marvy. I've got a really funny video I want to share with you. It's called Investigator Tater. It's about a potato. Isn't that funny? Check it out.
Investigator Tater. Buddy, slow down. I can't understand you.
Mr. Tater, an ice cube has gone missing. You've got to help.
Chip, an ice cube's gone missing, and they need our help, pal. Let's go.
When you've got a mystery, he's the spud you want to see. He's Investigator Tater. With a sidekick Chip, no evidence can slip by Investigator Tater. He'll find the clue to the missing ice cube. He's a potato.
The guy who called was nervous, which was odd. He was normally really cool.
We don't know what happened. 1 minute the ice cube was here, the next he was gone.
Just chill, sir. The professionals are here. Now let's see the crime scene. Chip, did you bring the ladder? Hey, Chip, take a look at this tray. Anything in here? No, it's empty. An empty ice cube tray. We have a first clue, Chip. All right, listen up. A little ice cube's gone missing. I don't know why, but I do know this. Chip and I will investigate every clue till that cube is found, or my name isn't Investigator Pete Tater. Now somebody start talking.
Well, I was just minding my business when I noticed that.
All right, everybody, freeze!
We already are. Frozen, I mean.
I knew that. Of course I knew that. Right, Chip? Well, how about you? Was he a friend of yours?
Not really.
Oh, I see. You gave him the cold shoulder, huh? He was just too square?
No, he's a cube. Each side is a square.
Squares. Freezing. Freezing squares. That's it! I've solved the mystery! The ice cubes were taken by a teeny tiny penguin to make a teeny tiny igloo.
Penguins don't make igloos.
Oh, yeah? Then where are the other cubes?
Here?
Hello. Hello.
Oh, good. What's that, pal? Another clue? He left the freezer?
He's gone to the warm place.
The warm place.
I can't blame him. I feel like a frozen waffle in here.
Hey!
But things don't stay frozen in the warm place. We all change in the warm place.
Chip, there's no time to lose. I don't understand. That frosty little cube isn't anywhere.
Excuse me?
Oh, little puddle. Great timing. We're looking for someone. 6 square sides, about yay cubed. A cool guy?
Oh, that's me.
Oh, no, you can't be. You're not a cube. Gosh, you're not even frozen.
I left the freezer for the bright lights of the counter, but it got warmer and warmer. So warm, in fact, that I couldn't keep myself together. I melted.
Of course. Ice turns from a solid to a liquid when it gets too warm.
I feel so silly. And soggy.
Chip, let's get our liquid friend back to the ice cube tray. You'll be back to your old frozen self in no time. I'm glad we found that little guy, Chip. Nothing beats solving a mystery. What's that? An emergency? The bubbles have gone from the bathtub? We'll be right there. Chip, someone out there needs our help.
He's a potato. When you've got a mystery, he's the spud you want to see. He's Investigator Tater. With a sidekick Chip, no evidence can slip by Investigator Tater. He'll find the clue to the missing ice cube. He's a